Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, is currently under heavy selling pressure. Since the beginning of 2025, XRP has dropped nearly 7%, and the price is now moving in a 6-month downtrend. What's interesting is that this decline is happening despite strong inflows into spot XRP ETFs. So the big question is, why is XRP falling when institutions are still buying? In this video, we'll break down XRP's price action, investor behavior, on-chain data, and what could happen next. Right now, XRP is facing selling pressure, mainly from whales and long-term holders. These are investors who usually hold through market dips. But this time, many of them are exiting their positions, even at a loss. This has created continuous downside pressure and weak price recovery. At the same time, the broader crypto market is also showing weakness, with Bitcoin and altcoins moving sideways or downward. To understand the current situation, let's look at XRP's past 2 years. In 2023, XRP gained around 81%, supported by improving regulatory clarity. In 2024, XRP surged by an impressive 238%, driven by strong speculation and growing institutional interest. These 2 years created strong bullish confidence among investors. However, every bull run eventually faces exhaustion. So what changed in 2025? On-chain realized profit and loss data shows that during the fourth quarter, selling activity was extremely high. Many XRP holders sold their tokens at a loss, which is unusual for large-cap assets. Historically, investors prefer to hold and wait for a recovery, but this cycle, fear and uncertainty have replaced patience. This change in behavior clearly indicates weak short-term confidence in XRP. Market sentiment plays a huge role in price movement. Right now, investors are showing risk-averse behavior. Instead of holding for long-term gains, they are choosing to reduce exposure and protect capital. This mindset creates a chain reaction. More selling leads to lower prices, which leads to even more selling. Until confidence returns, XRP may continue to struggle. Despite the bearish price action, there is one strong positive sign: spot XRP ETFs. Canary Capital's XRP ETF has already recorded 384 million in net inflows. XRP ETFs from Bitwise and Grayscale are also seeing steady demand. Even more interesting is that some institutions are rotating funds from Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs into XRP. This suggests that long-term interest in XRP still exists. So what's next for XRP? In the short term, XRP may remain volatile and under pressure, especially if whales continue selling. However, strong ETF inflows and institutional interest indicate that XRP is not being abandoned. If market sentiment improves and selling pressure reduces, XRP could attempt a trend reversal later in the cycle. XRP is currently at a critical turning point. The market is testing investor patience, and the next move will depend on confidence, liquidity, and overall crypto sentiment. Do you think XRP's 2-year bull run is over? Or is this just a temporary correction before the next rally? Comment your opinion below. Like the video if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more crypto market updates.